Yes. Take a what? Okay, we're at Bird Park. So the Singapore Bird Park is going to move to Mandai already. So the Jurong Bird Park is going to close. They're open till January. Then there's some carnivals and everything. Then I heard that the ticket is $10. My wife buy one. So today we're going to show you what are the activities at the Bird Park. And let's go! Oh, you cannot throw in. You see, oh, I come back already. Oh. Oh my, don't spill my camera. Next time I help you, I bring you coffee. You want the, are you ready? Wait. He's here, you just throw like, okay. Okay, go down. Go down. Oh, the crane will eat better than the penguin. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you my favorite eagle. I don't know if you can see. It's right above. Really huge. Look at it. Oh my goodness. Very big and handsome. Philippine eagles. Rawr, rawr. Oh, hello. Wow, long neck are you? Big at this one.
So I'll just brief you guys very quickly. Okay. The bird will jump on you, so please remember to not touch the bird with your hand, otherwise they'll bite your fingers.
Okay.
If they're on your head, do not allow it. Just shake your head a bit, they'll fly away.
Okay.
Likewise, if they're on your body, it's fine. But if you don't want them on you, just shake your body very hard. Don't use your hand to remove the bird, otherwise they'll bite your fingers. Okay.
They want to stick.
Hey, what of me? Wow, bite you. Wow, cute just lean for the railing or ask.
Oh, then they will go on. Oh, hey, I'll try.
Love you again.
You like me? Is it the same one?
I think so.
Hey, don't go. Hold on. Don't scared, okay? You cannot scared. Why? You want to pee, you cannot scared. Did you see the bird run on me? But not pain, eh? Like there's no pain.
A bit sayang, like that lah.
I don't know what he's doing behind my back, but it's not pain. You cannot anyhow move. Oh, don't move. Oh, okay, stay. Okay, come here. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, say hello. Hey, go. Hey, go.
Ah! Did he bite you?
No, he didn't.
He used the tongue to tickle you eh.
Go. He jump already. Lại. Hello. Hey, go back. Hey, what doing? Go back. See you again. She like me. She like don't scream, don't scream. She will come back a lot of time, don't worry. Hey, what are you doing with my head? This is your bird experience. Oh, your turn, your turn. Your turn.
You just stand on this side, okay?
它在你后面，哎呀，又来了。Okay lah, take photo lah. You want to take photo, right? Okay lah. Okay. They will fly over, ah. You don't move, ah. Okay, relax. Don't move. You don't move. You don't move. You don't move. Okay, don't move. Hi. Okay, don't move, ah. Yeah, relax, ah. Relax, ah. Are you coming another one? No need to close the eyes. It's okay. It's okay. You warm up. You know why you go Australia? Got a lot. You go. 他不要了，他怕，他反正怕你，是不是？